about introducing ChatGPT Atlas browser. So ChatGPT Atlas browser changed the way how we are browsing the internet. Not only finding the things, but it is also giving you the AI insights along with your finding or browsing for something. It is mostly same as Perplexity browser, but ChatGPT Atlas browser introduced some interesting features as well. In this video, we are going to show you how ChatGPT Atlas on Windows will look like. So this is the article for ChatGPT Atlas browser. They introduced different things, and user can download it, install it, and then use it as a browser. So there will be a browser window full like Chrome browser or any other browser. User can either ask the chat gpt direct for AI insights, or user can search for a website and browse to that. Like this will be the interface, and here user can do anything like any other browser. Just one extra thing is here, this one, the side button here. So if I show you, currently this is not available for Windows user, and it is only available for Mac user. But here, this browser which I am using, it is called Perplexity, and this browser is 100% same as ChatGPT Atlas browser. Now, how ChatGPT Atlas browser will work? You can have this AI, how you can ask like anything here as AI. It will give you the list of all the top sites to check the articles, and also it will give you the prompts like this and answer your questions like this. And that would be a game changer. So it is very good. You can sign in, you can discover spaces and different things. One of the interesting feature about ChatGPT Atlas browser is here. If I go to any other website, for example, let's go to google.com. I can write the link and I can open it in the browser here like this. And this is the assistant. ChatGPT Atlas browser is using the same assistant here. What is the biggest trending thing today? So if I ask question like this, it will give us the real time answer like this here, and we can browse as well as we can ask the question in this sidebar. This is the very interesting feature of ChatGPT Atlas browser. Now most of the things are same like other browser, and this assistant is also in Google AI. If we turn on the AI mode of Google browser, it will show us the same thing here, assistant. All the other things like bookmark this tab, like copy the link of this tab URL, and other things like these settings, new window, split screen, history, downloads, bookmarks, every other thing, extensions, translates, help, settings, and exit. These are all same for ChatGPT Atlas browser, Chrome browser, or Perplexity browser. So there is not a much difference if you use the Google Chrome browser and Google AI assistant, it would be same. But in ChatGPT browser, you can have either both the ChatGPT here, or you can browse for anything, ask for anything, or navigate to any page, and it is same as other browsers.